Okay, this is the Labconco controlled atmosphere glove box. You'll receive a manual looking like this for the system. You see right now I have it at negative atmospheric pressure. And you see the gloves are pulled in. These are new gloves, you'll receive those. We do have the glove changers too. So I'll send along 2 of those. And while we're in the front here, here's your control, your foot pedal. You can control the pressure. You can see here I'm adding inert gas in. And then by hitting the left foot pedal, you can take some of the gas out. You can hear the pump operating there, so it's being pulled out by the vacuum pump. We'll go around the back and take a look at that. Okay, this is our house vacuum pump, so you won't receive that, but you'll receive all the connections here. All the way up to here. I'll take off the connection right at the pump. And you'll receive the vacuum line here. Here's our gas in. I'm just using the compressed air right now. So you can see it's brought into the gas fill line, and it's also brought into the gas in line. So the gas fill will refill your transfer box, and this will allow gas into your glove box. And then you can see here that your gas out is attached to the vacuum pump. And that'll allow you to get negative pressure inside the box. Oh, and the pump is connected up here to the outlet. And your main power coming in is over here, and it's just a 110 outlet. I think the requirements are 20 amps. 16 amps is the requirement, actually. And then finally, I put a pressure relief. It's 1/3 psi, which is roughly 9 inches of water column. You have one in one direction and the other in the other direction, so that'll allow for a pressure relief of either negative 9 inches or 1/3 psi or positive. It's just a protection so you don't overpressurize or decompress the chamber, the glove box. Okay, I guess the first thing I'll do is you can open your outer chamber door here. I'll just put the manual in there. You have a sliding shelf. It's a little tight here because there is a braking clip back here, so in either direction you can see it locks in place, so you have to just push it a little bit. What you do is you bring that down like that, close it off, make sure that your inner door is closed and locked, which it is, and then the full vacuum into your transfer chamber down here. You can turn the a little tight there. Turn the vacuum on here. And by looking at your analog gauge here, you can see that the pressure is coming down. Typically you'll do 3 cycles in order to introduce the work into the box. And here I'm allowing it back up to atmospheric pressure. So again, you would cycle that 3 times. I'll go ahead and just do it twice. I'll bring it back up to atmospheric pressure. Now the gas is being filled by the inert gas fill line in the back. So I'll go ahead and shut that off once we reach pressure. Again, all these settings are explained in the manual in detail, so you'll be able to look at that and review that before you use it. The best thing to do here now is I'm going to bring the pressure up to atmospheric pressure inside. You can also do that by using your pressure setting switch here. As you can see, I'm increasing the pressure here and decreasing it. It does the same as the foot switch. So let's bring a little pressure in there. I'll go ahead and open the door. Now there's a little handle here that you can use to help assist bringing the door up. And then you can bring your work in. And then to bring the door down, you can use this black handle here. And close up. Okay, we do have a light up here. That's controlled right here. You can turn that on and off. You have on-off switches for your outlets. There's an outlet on the inside of here. I don't know if you can see it down there, that black round circle there. And we have another interior outlet over here. This is a 110 outlet. You can turn them on and off by using the left and right interior outlet switches. As you can see, I have the this is for the rear outlet, which is an optional pressure control function. Even though it's in the off position, as long as the pressure control module is on, the vacuum pump will be on. So it doesn't matter where your setting is. If I were to power off the unit, I'd put the power switch back here. I can then turn the pump on. And the light switch on. Again, once I turn the pressure control module on, make sure that the pump does turn on. Just quickly, you can decrease your lower just to show you that it is working. I will increase the lower limit. Actually, you can bring it all the way into the positive range if you want. Increase it back. And you can decrease the upper limit, high limit. So that's the range you want to operate at. As you can hear, the vacuum pump is going to try to bring it into this range. So just let that do that. Let the gloves pull in. And then finally, there's an alarm here. If you go up to 6, we'll create an alarm. So what I'll do is I'll just pull on the gloves a little bit and just show you that I'll pull it back in. It may not be enough. So here you heard it beep, and it's protected, and it'll open up the vent line in this situation. Let's just set our pressure lower. This is the full range, plus or minus 6. The alarm light will stay lit even though the alarm went away, and you have a reset button here to take that off. But let's go ahead and we'll decrease the pressure. This is just a protection so that the box does not get overpressurized or underpressurized. Get out of the way, the gloves are coming in. And you can see here's the actual box. Analog pressure. So it's well above 5. This will track the digital here. And we'll reset the alarm. I guess finally what I'd like to show you is that to test your inner door for tightness, we'll go ahead and we'll pressurize this to say 2 psi, 2 inches, excuse me. 2 inches of water. Roughly around it. And you want to see that this doesn't change. It's showing that the door is sealed properly on the inner door. to test that, we'll open the outer door. So you see that the pressure stays stable. And we'll go ahead and do that on the negative side too. We'll bring it down to -2. Again, you just want to see that it stays stable there. Okay, that's about all.